Hey y'all, Pawpaw here. Today we're going to be working on 4x4 play. We're going to change the M.A.P sensor underneath this cover for this 6.0 engine. Now, don't mistake this for the M.A.F sensor, the M.A.P sensor, which goes right here next to your breather. I did order this, but the company we ordered it from, I guess they got confused and sent us a pair of gloves instead of what we needed. This is our M.A.P sensor, M.A.P. This is what it looks like. All right. This goes back here in the back underneath this cover. All we should need is a 10mm socket and an 8mm socket. Me, I've got one of these cheap Harbor Freight screwdrivers that you run two different bits in. One end of it is an 8mm. Pull your one bolt out of the top of your cover and just slide it out. With that done, to get to your M.A.P sensor, your M.A.P sensor is located underneath this plate. That plug back there in the back plugs into it. Remove these three 10mm bolts. This is just plastic, so you get those out, remove that, and right there is your M.A.P sensor. Spread these two clips on top apart. You might have to recruit the help of a screwdriver. Okay. Spread them apart. Just pull it out. Then you'll unplug it. Now that's done, there's our new one up top, old one on the bottom. Can you tell the difference? We're going to take our new one, slide it right down into place, plug it back up. Now that that's done, all we got to do, replace our little cover, little plastic plate. Then you're going to take your cover, slide it right back in, get your 8mm, tighten it back down. And that is all there is to replacing the M.A.P sensor. Quick, simple job. Old M.A.P sensor. obviously stopped up. So there you go. That's it. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to be replacing the M.A.P sensor, mass airflow sensor. We're going to be replacing all 4 O2 sensors. And we're going to be replacing the 2 front ABS sensors, along with a few other things. We're trying to make her run right again. So y'all hit that subscribe button. Smash that notification bell. Leave me a like. Leave me a comment if there's something else you want to see. But until then, it's Pawpaw saying y'all have a good one, and we'll see you next time.